In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu on a big screen so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies with a cinematic experience. Let's get started. There are several ways to stream Hulu on a big screen. Smart TV apps. If your TV is a smart TV, check the App Store for the Hulu app. Download and install it, then log into your account to start streaming directly on the big screen. Streaming devices. Use devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Google Chromecast. Install the Hulu app from the device's App Store. Log in and stream your favorite content. HDMI connection. Connect your laptop or computer to your TV using an HDMI cable. Open Hulu in your browser or app, and the content will display on the TV screen. Screen mirroring. If your TV supports screen mirroring via AirPlay for Apple devices or Miracast for Android, enable casting from your phone, tablet, or computer to your TV. Gaming consoles. If you have a PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, download the Hulu app from the console's store, log in, and start streaming. For the best experience, ensure your internet connection is stable and adjust your TV's settings for optimal picture and sound quality. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Hulu on the big screen.